In this tutorial, we're going to show you how Robotrax report works. This report shows all the trips made by vehicles and drivers according to the ELD registered in mygroundforce. They are displayed in the form of trips with origin and destination, always starting with the origin being the destination of the previous trip. Here you can add notes linked to a specific trip, and it is also possible to use GPS tracking, where when filtering by a specific vehicle and clicking on this button, it will show a route of the vehicle during the day. This route represents the entire journey taken by the vehicle during the day. It is also possible to view the Robotrax map, which shows the position of your vehicles during the checked moment. In this button, you can update the page to have a real-time view.